Hello, people of Clinton, Indiana. As mayor of this hard-working town, I am here to address the issue that faces Treadstone Industries' paper manufacturing plant. The Environmental Protection Agency has demanded that the plant cut sulfur dioxide emissions in half within the next 6 months. While this drastic change poses questions of cost and community employment, the complete loss of the plant would be devastating for Clinton. Sulfur dioxide, or SO2, is an air pollutant that is created by the burning of fossil fuels and the production of paper pulp. It is dangerous to public health, a cause of acid rain, and hazardous to delicate ecosystems. After enlisting the top engineers to develop new information and possible solutions to the problem, I have realized the global, as well as local, importance of such environmental considerations. We must begin with in-plant adjustments to reduce emissions. Scientists have decided flue gas desulfurization, or in layman's terms, power plant scrubbers, are the next plausible step. This technology removes CO2 from the exhaust of coal-powered plants. A solution of limestone is sprayed onto smokestack chambers, reacting with the sulfur dioxide to create recyclable byproducts instead of air pollution. While switching to lower sulfur fuels such as natural gas would also reduce pollutants, the use of scrubbers with current power methods is cheaper, so better for the community. This pollution control equipment also requires smaller space than other methods, lowering capital costs. Scrubbers will allow for decreased loss of jobs and greater ability to meet the EPA's deadline. However, we cannot stop there. Sulfur dioxide emissions are hazardous to the community, and due to the expanding concerns of climate change and environmental protection, the EPA's regulations are bound to tighten in the next few years. Further regulations of Treadstone Industries' emissions will enable more gradual reforms, reducing the negative effects of hasty change. We will start small, switching the majority of fuel from high sulfur coal to medium or low sulfur coal within the next year. This phase can then be expanded to include blended fuel, natural gas, and other sources. The switch to cleaner fuel sources will reduce sulfur dioxide emissions, bringing Clinton into the new technological era. There is another question on the mind of our citizens. What can you do to help? There are many ways to reduce your individual sulfur emissions, and hopefully, this company overhaul has inspired awareness within the community. Recycling products, such as paper, will help to reduce production emissions. That is why I am spearheading a volunteer committee to help encourage recycling procedures for local businesses. Other ways to help are purchasing energy-efficient appliances, reducing wasteful use of heating and cooling systems, and cutting down automobile pollution with fuel-efficient models and use of group transportation. Together, we can help save jobs, save money, and ultimately, save our environment.